morning. Quite a long walk today. This is our mystery walk, which can be revealed as being a walk from Cymru in Perthshire. Long walk, it's about 11 miles, something like 18 kilometres. Nice countryside, Tayside. Perthshire. Let's put my better microphone on. We have a big group today on this, our mystery walk. Circular from Cymru in Perthshire. At least 40, don't know, maybe 45 people. And it will culminate with a meal at the end in the Royal Hotel in Cymru. Look, the countryside is great, isn't it? And maybe you can hear the birds singing too. A decent bridge. You know that one there already, do you? That's Earthquake House.
Earthquake House?
Yeah.
You making that up?
No, I think that was the world's first earthquake monitoring station.
Really? How
Yeah.
did you know that?
Because I've come here for years.
Right, okay, I've never been here before.
Earthquake House.
Earthquake
And
House.
I think to this day it can still detect earthquakes throughout the world.
Really?
Aye, it's surprising.
In a place like this, isn't it? Scenic?
Yeah. And property owned by a Russian oligarch, we're told, spent £1 million renovating it. What a beautiful bit of countryside. Perthshire is really superb. I was going to say it's underrated, but not really. I'm sure a lot of people know about Perthshire. I love it. Amazing the things you see on a hike.
I know.
Makes people think. Fabulous. Isn't it great? So we came along there, got to here, and it's very tempting to follow the main road up the way to the left, but really the right way's down here. Oh, I didn't get the full story from that guy further back. Actually, that is the oligarch's house that he spent £1 million renovating. And the one further back was a hotel which he bought because it was on his land. There you are. Possible unlived in. I don't know if it's been sequestered by the government as an anti-Russian statement or what. Real waste if it's not being used. It should be used for something. Imagine staying in that for a weekend hiking, bird watching or whatever. it's quite a decent walk today. As far as the length is concerned, it's quite long. Gentle countryside, Land Rover track that I'm walking on just now most of the way. Bit of tarmac coming out of Cymru, and lots of frog spawn at our feet on the path. I don't know how the frogs expect to survive on a farm path. First tractor that comes up here, they're gone. For wildlife, we've just seen a buzzard, but you'll also see a red kite in the area. We did the last time we were out. And red squirrel, bouncy red squirrel. Well, not bound to, but if you keep your eyes open, with a big group, less likelihood of seeing these things. But doing the recce walks, we sometimes see more. Lots of pheasants coming up as well on the last part of the walk. But yeah, I'll show you more of these things as we go along. It's quite nice splashing through these burns going across the Land Rover track. Clean your boots up. Right, that's a wee climb down up, isn't it? Yeah, you can see what's here.
Yeah, that's the bit of it, the big thing. Yeah, that's the way.
Hop, hop, hop.
Sting it, stop.
Hop. Sorry?
Sting in the tail.
It's what, another?
Sting in the tail. It's a nice walk.
Is that wee bit?
Lovely. And then you've got all that mushy, horrible stuff.
Yeah. Oh.